Hi guys, you're in the kitchen with Margaret, your fun Pampered Chef gal. I'm here today to show you our pineapple wedger. I was just on Maui last week, I can't even believe I'm saying that, and I did a video cutting up a fresh pineapple on Maui, and they were awesome, and I lost the video. I don't know where it went. It's gone. So here I am back home, and I found a beautiful pineapple to show you this with. It's not the same as being on Maui, but that's okay. I first wanted to share with you a couple tips that I have for picking out a fresh and ripe pineapple. The first is I look for a golden color. Sometimes they'll have some green on it, but I don't want it to be solid green. I want it to be golden, mostly golden. I want to be able to smell pineapple. You should be able to smell some pineapple smell. And then one of the surefire ways that I found, and this one is so fresh that the core has already gone out of the center, but if you have all of the leaves in here, if you can pick one of those center leaves out, see, these are the outside leaves, so that's not going to work, but the center core is already gone out of here. If you can pluck out one of those center leaves, it's going to be a fresh and ripe pineapple. So let me show you how I do this. It's super quick and easy, and it works every time. So need a knife. You want to cut off each end. So you're going to cut off the butt end here. This might be ooh, yeah, I think might be a little overripe, but boy, it's going to be sweet. I have a sweet tooth. I have been wanting to eat chocolate all day long, and I've got back on my Weight Watchers, and so I'm not eating chocolate because we're going out to dinner tonight. That looks awesome. Now you could take this and do the pretty side. Like if you're doing a fruit platter, this is a great centerpiece. Take the tag off and make this be the centerpiece of your fruit platter. So two ends off. I'm kind of vertically challenged, so I'm going to cut it in half again, right down the center. There we go. And now, get all those little pieces off my cutting board. Now you can kind of see the core right there. See how it kind of changes in color and texture? That's what you want to center this part right over. So this is going to be the core. This part is going to be the part you eat, and then the outside is going to be the skin. So I'm centering it right over the core, and then this is like a rocking motion, like a teeter-totter, all the way to the bottom. Now you never want to push through there because those sharp blades will get you. So you want to take the base, the plastic blade protector, and then just press the rest of the way down, and then you can pull the skins right off. And I've got one more trick to show you to get this really simple with an apple wedger. See, so here we go. I've taken all the skin off. And if you've got a real fat pineapple, you can take your knife and kind of shave the little bit off the inside edge of that skin, and that's your crushed pineapple. Put it in smoothies, that kind of thing. So with this now, I'm going to take out each of the sides. That is the edible part. Here's the core. And I'm going to take my apple wedger, which I bet most of you have one of these. It's awesome for apples and even pears. I'm going to butt these two up together, and where the slice is, I'm going to just center it over one of these spokes and then press right down. And then I've got beautiful pineapple spears at this point, or I can then just chunk it up, and I've got chunked pineapple. That fast. I can usually cut up a pineapple in like 5 minutes. So get those out, slice those up, put them in your bowl. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to try this. It smells delicious. Boy, the ones on Maui were so good, but this one I think is going to be a good one too. There we go. Cut up pineapple inside of 5 minutes. You guys, if you like this video, giving you tips and sharing tools with the Pampered Chef, please subscribe to my channel. There'll be more, and give me a thumbs up or a like. And if you would like to shop or want to check out recipes and ideas on pamperedchef.com, I'll link that website below. Thanks so much. Have a great day.